Buying your own sausage stuffer means you've graduated to the top level of being a sausage fanatic. When you make your own sausage, you know when it was processed. You decide on the flavor profile, the type of meat, and the quality of the cut. Sausage stuffers also eliminate excessive waste that comes with prepackaged food. There are many products available to choose sausage stuffers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sausage stuffers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Happybuy Electric Stuffer. The Happybuy 15L electric sausage stuffer machine is another fantastic electric sausage stuffer. This unit earns high marks for its stainless steel construction, large capacity canister, and variable speed control. To start, this unit is made from top to bottom stainless steel, so it's durable, anti-corrosive, and rust-resistant. Unlike other electric sausage stuffers, this one has variable speed control. With 12 speed choices at your disposal, you can work as quickly or slowly as you like. To use, simply fill up the 15-liter meat canister, choose your speed, fit the sausage casing on the dispenser, and step on the pedal. The beauty of this machine is that you can use both hands while you work. And with the 15-liter meat canister in the mix, you rarely have to stop for refills. Extras include 4 stainless steel sausage tubes that range from 0.74 to 1.5 wide. If you're new to sausage stuffing, the Happybuy 15L electric sausage stuffer machine is an excellent unit to start with. It's easy to use, allows you to work with both hands, and the speed adjusts to your comfort level. Number 2. Hakka 7LB 3 liters sausage stuffer. The Hakka 7LB 3 liters manual sausage stuffer earns high marks for its sturdy stainless construction, budget-friendly price, and intuitive design. There's a lot to love about this sausage stuffer. To start, this unit is heavy on metal and light on plastic. The base plate, cylinder, stainless steel stuffing tubes, and canister are all made from stainless steel, and the metal gears are made from durable stainless aluminum. So this unit is not only durable, but also rust and corrosion resistant. This sausage stuffer measures 21.3 x 11.8 x 8.7, so it does take up a decent amount of counter and cabinet space. In terms of design, this one is as simple as they come. Just fill the large capacity meat cylinder, fit the sausage casing on the dispenser, and slowly crank the handle. Cranking is a breeze because the handle sits at a perfect 90-degree angle. Number 3. Super Deal 3L Sausage Filler Sausage Stuffer. The Super Deal 7LB 3 liters manual meat stuffer is another one of my favorite vertical sausage stuffers. This unit stands out from the pack thanks to its top-to-bottom solid stainless steel construction, affordable price tag, and simple design. This is a straightforward machine, so there's very little to break here, which means this vertical sausage stuffer is built to last a lifetime. This unit comes with a 3-liter hopper, which holds up to 7 pounds of meat. To use, simply fill up the hopper, choose your funnel, fit the casing over the dispenser, and get to work. Despite that, there is a decent amount of heft to this manual sausage stuffer. It weighs in at just under 27 pounds, and comes with rubber feet to keep it from sliding around while you work. Number 4. Hakka Brothers 2-in-1 Sausage Stuffer Machines. The Hakka 2-in-1 sausage stuffer and Spanish churro maker is nearly identical to the Hakka 7LB 3 liters manual sausage stuffer with one major exception: it makes Spanish churros. Churros are popular Latin American desserts made of long, usually ribbed, pieces of deep-fried dough. They're often covered in sugar and cinnamon and perfect for dipping in chocolate. If that made your stomach growl, check out this machine. The Hakka 2-in-1 features top-to-bottom stainless steel construction, all metal gears and ball bearings, and a sturdy hand crank with an ergonomic 90-degree angle. So this sausage stuffer is sturdy, rust and corrosion resistant, and, just as important, comfortable to use. Number 5. ROVSUN 7LBS 3L Vertical Stainless Steel Sausage Stuffer. The ROVSUN 7LB 3 liters vertical stainless steel sausage stuffer maker is another fantastic vertical stainless steel sausage stuffer. The first thing you'll notice is that nearly every piece on this quality sausage stuffer is made from stainless steel. That quality extends from the steel frame and base plate to the cylinder, stuffing tubes, and everything in between. I also like that the hand crank on this vertical sausage stuffer has 2 speeds. When cranked counterclockwise, the plunger rises quickly, so that I can add more meat to the hopper. Crank it the other way, and the plunger lowers slowly, so that ground meat is distributed evenly into the tube. I also like that this vertical stainless steel sausage maker has an air release valve. This allows me to make delicious sausages without annoying air pockets. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.